As the election date approaches, political activities in the hilly regions are reaching a fever pitch. On Monday, Minister Shuklacharan Noatia spearheaded a massive campaign in support of the IPFT-nominated candidate Jitiram Tripura for the 26-Birchandra Kalsi Constituency. A grand electoral rally was held in the Khorang Bazaar area organized by the IPFT-nominated Divisional Committee. The program was attended by several high-profile leaders, including Minister Shuklacharan Noatia, Tripura, Advisory Chairman of the IPFT Central Committee, Jitiram Tripura, IPFT-nominated candidate, and numerous local leaders and party activists. Addressing the gathering, Minister Shuklacharan Noatia emphasized that IPFT has always prioritized development as its core agenda. We work for the people with transparency and a clear vision for progress. Reporter Big Ram from Santi Bazar, Chini, Khorang.